This is the Ticwatch E2. It's identical to the Ticwatch S2, which is ruggedized to a mill standard, but this one is fully waterproof, just like the S2, but more dressy in style, black with a really nice rubberized band. You have the WearOS type faces, your step count, your temperature information, and any events that you have, plus a bunch of more tiles that you can add here if you would like to. Press the button, you get into your overall app drawer, which includes things like Google Fit, Breathe, robust activities that you can do for health and wellness, translations, and even localized weather. Multiple watch faces can be installed and switched directly on the fly right from the watch itself. It's a really nice, attractive dress watch, AMOLED screen, the Ticwatch E2. Check it out.